Hi everybody and welcome back to All Personal Long Ago. Day 2 here at Conf. And I had a couple of insights already from the two presentations that I've been at. One, that a crisis is difficult because you've never done it before, right? So it makes sense. And it's good because it uncovers unknown leaders, so people can just step up, think fast, and come up with solutions. The other point made was that, and this is for my people in M&A, lawyers, bankers, you know who you are. M&A transactions, they're like dating and marrying. So make sure one of the pieces of advice that people gave is, you know what, before you go into an M&A transaction, think about it, see if it's worth doing it, imagine your life afterwards, and also think what would happen if you didn't do it. So that's some great food for thought, and it's just morning, so I'll be back.